What is going on, everybody? All right, so I know a bunch of people have been asking me about this. Do not let this pass you by. I'm going to drop all the links down below in this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe because I want to be dropping a lot more crypto stuff on here, some more mining stuff. And obviously, you guys know every week I drop my trading stuff on here. But this is off of Sologenic. The ticker is SOLO. There is an airdrop that is coming out. I'm going to drop two links. Both of them are going to be describing exactly the airdrop, but it's essentially for XRP and solo holders. You don't have to hold both, but I would say that with the airdrop coming and the way that they're breaking up how the airdrop is happening, you may want to just purchase yourself a couple of solo. But going through it, there's going to be essentially two ways to get the airdrop. The key thing is the snapshot, right? The snapshot is December 24th at 8 p.m. UTC time, right? You need to make sure that this is done by December 24th, 8 p.m. UTC time. All right, I'm going to walk you through. I personally have all of my XRP on a ledger. So I'm going to show you how to do a trust line. That way you don't have to move. There's two other options that you can do. You can either do, and I'm going to walk you through how to do the Zoom wallet. And then the other thing is if you're on a centralized exchange, you're going to have to check with the exchange. Some of the big ones, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase. I believe I'm almost positive I know Coinbase is, but just double check. Go on their website and they'll let you know, or you can just chat with them and double check to see if that is the case, that it'll be able to grab the snapshot from it. All right. Real quick, there's going to be, and you'll see right here, there is a total of 200 million solo that are going to be airdropped. Okay, it's going to be January 20th. There you go. January 20th is when those essentially airdrops are going to happen for those that have the trust line established. All right. So going through it, how they're splitting it, you could see they're splitting 100 million and 100 million. So between all the XRP holders, we're going to get 100 million solo divvied up between us, and then between the solo holders. And this is why I said, if you are interested in purchasing some solo, not financial advice, but I guarantee you there's way more XRP holders than there are solo holders. So, airdrops are a really good way to, push the project to really get some market cap going into it. So I'm always a fan of free coins coming out. All right. When you come over and do it, and they'll break it up, you'll see exactly, how in this link that I'll drop below, how it's going to break it down. I have no idea exactly how many coins each person's going to get, because it's all dependent upon the entire blockchain itself of XRP holders. Scrolling down to the bottom, again, there's a couple of ways to do this, right? The first is, and I personally am not going to be doing this, but you can create the Solo wallet on your phone. You can see it walks you through step by step through the Google or App Store. Create a new wallet. If you don't have one already, it's going to go, setting up the seed phrase, all that stuff here. I personally don't do any of my crypto on my phone, so this is not something I'm not even going to show, step by step. It's pretty self-explanatory. I wouldn't recommend it though. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to walk you through how to do this once we get to the bottom here, setting up a trust line. Okay. And here it is right here. Hold on, let's get through. Here we go. So the other way to do it is through the Zoom wallet, right here. Pretty, again, self-explanatory. You just download it. It walks you step by step how to do this. Okay. Just add Sologenic, in, you just signing it, the tokens in there, and that's it. That's all you need to do. It's pretty easy. It walks you step by step how to do this. The harder one for me is, again, setting up a trust wallet. So I'm sorry, setting up a trust link through your XRP wallet. I'm going to drop this link below, the XRP toolkit. All right. And actually, I'm going to share my desktop here. There we go. Share my desktop. Bam. Okay, so you can see I have the XRP toolkit up on the right-hand side here. All right. You go to it. What you're going to have to do is pretty simple, right? And I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing is you're just going to have to connect your wallet, right? So depending on what you have, any kind of cold storage wallet, just go ahead, hit connect wallet. Make sure that you have your, let me sign into my ledger. Second. And it's pretty easy. Okay, there we go. So make sure you sign into, in this case here, I'm using a ledger. I am signed in to the XRP app. I'm going to go to connect wallet. You can see all the different types here. It's a ledger device for mine. Connect my ledger. There's a little screen that should pop up and you're just going to hit OK. And you can see I am connected. There's my address, confirm. Boom, we are solid here. Okay. The next thing I need to do, right, is I need to come over here to accounts, go to assets. Okay. And from there, again, all you're doing is just putting in the ticker SOLO, right? Add asset, come over here, type in SOLO. You're going to hit next, right? Confirm transaction on your ledger. And I'm going through it. And there is a small fee. It is 0.005097 XRP, which if you guys do anything on the ERC 2020, if anything on the Ethereum network that you do where it is just ridiculous. So I'm signing it now. Boom, I'm in there. I'm adding it. And that's all she wrote, right? You do sign the transaction. And then once that is set, you're going to see, boom, I am active. I have a 10 billion limit, which I'm not expecting to get that. So that's it. She is done. All right. You've now properly done that. There's a couple other things that, if you want to do it manually, you can use the actual, just copy the, the address here. I personally, I'm fine just adding it here. It's already set. Everything is there. I'll drop all these links in there. The XRP toolkit link as well. That way, all you got to do is just connect your wallet. All right. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. But like I said, make sure that you are doing this before December 24th. You have a couple of days. All right. Do not miss out on this free opportunity. With that being said, you guys have a good one.